Hey Sketch Lab friends, are you ready to chill and enjoy some summer vibes? Well, today we're drawing a super fun and drippy Kawaii Slurpee, and it's bursting with tropical vibes, fruity swirls, and Posca paint marker magic. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to draw these two dots. That determines the width of our cup, and then we're going to draw a foreshortened circle. So this is the top of the cup that we're drawing right now. And we're going to zoom in here so we get a better look at this. So we have our two lines down, and then we're going to match that same line that curves down here. So this is the lip of the cup, the top of it. And then we're going to match that line that curves down. We have our sides of our cup. And we're going to add a little bit more to the base of this cup. It's a little bit of overlapping. Well, I think our little Slurpee needs some sunscreen today. It's going to melt pretty quick out here. We're going to erase off this construction line. So this is the constructivist approach. We're going to build with shapes and forms, and sometimes we have construction lines that we erase. So this line that curves up, this is going to be the top of the Slurpee. And the top of it is a little bit like a shark fin, and you can see we're curving that line to the left. And here I'm going to curve that line to the right. We're going to add some little drips. And here goes some more drips coming down the top of the cup. All right, let's start the expressions. We're going to start off with these two circles for the eyes. We'll have a little white dot inside of it. It's a highlight. Well, this Slurpee is so cool, I think it's giving my pencil a brain freeze, guys. We have the little tongue inside. Look at that, we created a cute little personality. He's cuter now than my beach towel. I hope you guys are enjoying the chill summer vibes. And here's an easy way to do bubble letters, is we can start off just drawing the letters first, all capital letters. And then we're just going to draw around these letters here in a second. I'm going to go ahead back and kind of fix my letters a little bit, make sure they're about the same height. That's what those two lines were for. And now I'm just going to draw around the letter. It's a real easy way to make a bubble letter. Just draw around the letter again. And you'll just continue doing that for all of the letters. And if you don't have Posca markers, don't worry, just use whatever you have. I always recommend a 24 to 48 pack of colors. You always want to have a range of value of all these different colors, because we use colors value when we color in, right? Some colors are lighter, some are darker. Oops, before we outline, we're going to add this little straw in real quick. So I curved a line up and then 2 lines down. I'm curving those lines up a little bit for the stripes. Those are called cross contour lines. They curve around the form. All right, now we're ready to outline. I'm just using a Sharpie marker here. Well, warning guys, I think drawing this may have caused sudden cravings for frozen drinks. I think I might need to go get a Slurpee now. So I'm going to start off with my base color, which is red. So with Posca markers, you could paint in layers. So I could paint this layer, let it dry, and then paint another layer over the top. And that's the approach I'm taking today. Another thing you could do is you could actually just mix it right on the canvas. So I could actually mix the paint while it's still wet. So sometimes you don't have the exact color you need in Posca markers, but you could do some color mixing maybe to get those colors that you need. I'm going in with the 3M, which is a smaller tip to get around these letters here. And this is the light blue. And I'll make it a little bit lighter with that white marker. Now here's the second layer. So this is the dark red. So now we're starting to build up our value. As you guys know, value adds depth and dimension to your artwork. So we're saying the light source is on the left-hand side, so the shading is going to be on the right-hand side today. Okay, and now here's the lighter color. So I'm going in with some highlights. And so I always recommend using 2 to 3 values when you're coloring. If you just use one color, it's going to make it look flat. Okay, so here's our sky blue. It's a little bit darker of a value. Then I have light purple, dark purple, and light pink and pink. Don't forget, guys, I do have free coloring pages for my subscribers. Just go to my post tab on the homepage, and you could color this exact Slurpee. And if you love this summer draw, don't miss the full playlist for more sunny fun. Well, just put the final touches on here. Well, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.